10 special traits of people who don't feel the need to be liked by everyone. Some individuals navigate life as if they carry their own personal weather system, untouched by the storms of opinions swirling around them. They appear to have mastered the art of living with clarity and purpose, freeing themselves from the burden of external expectations. If you've ever wondered what fuels their fire, or secretly aspire to join their league of resilience, keep watching. Here are the traits that allow them to move through life with unshakable self-confidence and strength. Number 1, mastery of self-awareness. Those who don't chase approval possess a profound understanding of themselves, almost surgical imprecision. They're deeply aware of their triggers, boundaries, and motivations better than anyone else. What's impressive is how this awareness empowers rather than paralyzes them. They embrace their flaws without being consumed by shame and acknowledge their strengths without becoming arrogant. In essence, they've cultivated a strong relationship with themselves, founded on honesty, acceptance, and a commitment to growth. Trusting their instincts, they aren't afraid to confront uncomfortable truths about themselves, knowing that such reflection paves the way for meaningful change. Number 2, freedom from social comparison. People who don't seek universal approval have completely discarded the rulebook of comparison. Instead of measuring their worth by the achievements of others, their focus remains resolutely inward. This doesn't mean they're indifferent to the lives of others, but they refuse to let those lives dictate their own. By prioritizing their personal values and goals, they sidestep the bitterness and envy that often arise from comparison. Free from keeping score of who's ahead or behind, they can simply live authentically. Number 3, the ability to discern intentions. Discernment might not sound glamorous, but for those who have this skill, it's invaluable. They seem to have an uncanny knack for distinguishing sincerity from insincerity. While they don't expect perfection from others, they insist on genuineness. This clarity helps them avoid draining entanglements and distractions, allowing them to invest in relationships that align with their values while stepping away from those that don't. Number 4, an inspiring presence. There's a quiet yet undeniable magnetism to people who are unapologetically themselves. Their aura conveys, "I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to be me." Paradoxically, this authenticity is what inspires others. They're not trying to convert anyone to their way of thinking or assert their dominance. Instead, their sense of freedom becomes contagious, encouraging others to breathe deeper, stand taller, and embrace their true selves. Number 5, effortless detachment. Detachment, often mistaken for indifference, is more like a refined ability to let go. These individuals don't cling to relationships, situations, or outcomes that no longer contribute to their growth. They understand that holding on to things out of fear or obligation leads to stagnation. By releasing what doesn't serve them, without bitterness or regret, they open themselves up to new opportunities and experiences. Number 6, adaptability to change. For many, change feels like an unwelcome disruption. But for those who thrive without needing approval, adaptability comes naturally. They understand that nothing is permanent and approach the unknown with curiosity and calm. This perspective helps them navigate life's inevitable transitions with grace, even when the way forward is unclear. Number 7, the ability to hold space for others. Ironically, those who don't crave being liked are often the most attentive listeners. Free from the distraction of wondering how they're being perceived, they offer their full presence to others. By creating an open and calm atmosphere, they encourage people to share their thoughts and emotions freely without fear of judgment. This quality strengthens relationships and leaves others feeling deeply valued. Number 8, strength and vulnerability. Authenticity is their way of life. They don't feel the need to mask their struggles or pretend to have all the answers. By openly facing life's challenges, they foster genuine connections based on mutual understanding and shared experiences. Their openness not only strengthens their relationships, but also deepens their own sense of self-acceptance. Number 9, resilience through solitude. In a world fixated on constant connection, Being comfortable with solitude is a rare superpower. For these individuals, solitude isn't a punishment. It's a necessary pause. They use this time to reset, reflect, and reconnect with their core selves. In the stillness, they gain clarity, process emotions, and prepare for the challenges ahead. Number 10. Unstoppable creative energy. Free from the constraints of external expectations, these individuals channel their energy into authentic, meaningful pursuits. Their creativity is fueled by curiosity and the willingness to experiment. Each project becomes a playground for exploration and innovation, resulting in work that's bold, sincere, and resonant. Living authentically isn't always easy, but for those who embrace it, the rewards are immense. These traits remind us that life is too short to waste chasing approval. True confidence stems from self-awareness, authenticity, and the courage to embrace life's uncertainties. So, what about you? Which of these traits resonate most? Are there areas where you'd like to grow? Share your thoughts below. And don't miss our video on the 7 revealing traits of an honest person. It's filled with insights about how integrity and transparency foster deeper connections. Watch it now through the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.